Hootsuite's integration with Slack allows teams to quickly share social media messages directly to Slack without leaving the Hootsuite dashboard, making collaboration with other teams seamless. For example, users could send a tweet containing negative product feedback directly to a Slack customer support channel, so that team could reach out to address the customer's concern. In the app directory, Slack users can plug Slack into their Hootsuite dashboard. Choose Standard Slack or Slack Pro, which has more functionality, like scheduling. Now click Install. Continue the installation process in the dashboard by clicking a drop-down to share a social message. Log into your Slack workspace and authorize Hootsuite to access your account. Now you're ready to share messages to Slack from Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. In a stream, click the drop-down again to share a specific message to Slack. Select the channel, group, or individual, then add a comment for additional context. You can either send it immediately to Slack or schedule it to be shared at a more convenient time. For example, schedule it for Tuesday morning when the team has spare capacity. In Slack, all relevant details of the original social message are captured, including network, date and time published, and attached media. Please note any comments on the post will not be carried through in the Slack message. Now, your colleagues on Slack can click the social message to view and interact with the original post on the relevant network.